Yes, yes. Just do like that.
Smile, no?
Just smile.
Today it's Friday, it's weekend. We're having a fun shoot. It's only here in outside. The street is not busy because everyone is inside their room as they're doing a fasting today. I don't know where the guys are. Oh, I saw them. They're start to shoot now.
Bagay pala sa kanya yung No, don't feel heavy. Yep. One more.
One more. Ang hirap sa ito ng kalagay.
Dok, alam mo magbulalo tayo.
Galing ka. Smile, no?
That's our model, and the shooters are my friends. They are professional shooters. Some of them are working into studio photography and freelancers. Zahir and Annie are one of the close to my heart. They are like a brother and sister to me. First of all, I'd like to thank them for being very nice to me. And secondly, disclaimer to this video, I'm not professional photographer because I'm not working as photographer, and I'm not openly shooting models. I like video because that is a passion for me. That's my passion. In this video, let's talk about photography. But before we gonna right into, welcome to my channel. And if you are new to this video, please hit that red button down there and smash the notification bell for more videos upload. Boss, why you were talking photography if you are not photographer? Well, basically, I'm just sharing the methods of photography that I have learned from my friends and from my camera. What do you need in photography? So here's my tips. Grab your camera. There are categories of DSLR, from entry level, intermediate, and professional. What do I mean by that? Entry level camera is affordable but less features compared to intermediate and advanced, but it offers you a great image. This camera is meant for newbie or aspiring photographer who shoot random to capture moments like traveler, lifestyle, and so on. Intermediate camera has more advanced features than entry level that offer dynamic control in the settings, similar to advanced camera. Professional camera is often used for production by professional photographer. It has advanced features and dynamic control that very useful to get a high resolution images and able to satisfy clients' requirement. All of those camera are can use in production, but like I've said, the controls of camera and features are only differences. And the professional camera is more advanced than intermediate and the entry level. Tip number 2. Find the model. Your friend can be a model, sister, brother, or even your mom. And this is depend of which photography would you like to do. There are so many types of photography like wall photography, landscape, food photography, lifestyle, and many more that capture your interest to start. So choose one best for you. Tip number 3. Lens. Why shooters spending so much to get lens? Basically, there are a lot of kinds of lens, but to tell a few of them for you to start and affordable, then buy 50mm focal length. If you are shooting model, it will give you nice blurry background or bokeh. Get zoom lens if you capture animals, or wide lens if you like to capture a nature. All of them are you can use in any photography. It is just the lens are designed in the means of particular situation. Tip number 4. Speed light. Speed light, it can help you capture a bright image when you are in a low light situation. And tripod. Use tripod if your hands are shaky while using gigantic zoom lens, because that is too freaking heavy and you cannot, for sure it gonna shaking your hands and you cannot capture this object, like for example on a passion or your subject is a human, so it's gonna be like it's really shaky and it will give you a very bad images. So use tripod if you can. Number 6. Software editing. This is also expensive if you buy a license, but if you can, ask friends who does photography to share with you a software installer. Tip number 7. Work in collaboration with photographer. Either they are newbie or professional photographer, because you will learn from their skills and their techniques. Tip number 8. Creativity. Bear in mind that no one is perfect in photography. All shooters has different perspective, different taste of color. Don't be shy of showcasing your talents, because there's always a room for you to improve. Don't mind the hell critics, because it will bury your dream forever, and not try to make it up. Don't afraid of mistakes or failure, because that are content of success.